Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to be talking about Meesho. This is my first fashion haul video. I have heard so much about Meesho. I think I am the last one to buy from them, or probably there are people who haven't purchased from them yet, so this video is for them. I purchased about 7 tops from Meesho and this was my first shopping from Meesho app. I wanted to try how this goes and how the quality is, how the delivery sort of thing is. So I thought to buy 7. I have worn a few of them a couple of times. I'll attach the pictures while I review them and everything. I'll be giving you a detailed review of these tops that I got for myself. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to start with, all of the tops that I got were under 310 rupees. Everything is under 300 rupees mostly. There might be a little, 310 or something like that. I don't exactly remember the prices of everything. I'll put down the code and the price of every outfit and I'm going to show it to you. Before I start showing you all of these, let me start by saying that I got all of these in size L. I generally wear size M in all other brands and dresses and all of that. But these were pretty tight when I got them in size M, and then I had to exchange it again with the size L. L is also a little bit tight, I guess, but that works. That really works. But if you're someone who likes to wear body hugging outfits, that would be one size more than your regular size would be just fine for you. But if you want to wear loose outfits, if you like it that way, then I think 2 sizes more would do. But then that also depends on every seller and the outfit and the size chart and all of that, so you have to see and decide it for yourself. But the outfits that I'm going to be showing you, if you want it loose, you have to take it 2 sizes upper. Now I'll be starting with the beautiful sea blue top that I got. Can you see how beautiful the color is? I totally love how this color looks, and the material is pretty thick for the price of this one. I mean, it's very thick. It's not at all transparent. You can see it's not at all transparent. Now it has just one layer, but the material is pretty amazing. This is in the size L. The best part about this top is its hands, and there is a pretty thick line here, and the hands are not very ruffled, but yeah, it's a little fluffy, and both the hands are like that. And I love a good fluffy hand wala top because it makes me, it gives a very cute and subtle look, and I love it that way. And the neck of this top is quite round, not a lot but a little bit. It's very high, but not like high neck or something like that, but yeah, it covers your neck pretty much. This is how it's gonna look. I got the same top in 3 different colors because I loved it so much, and I loved the color ranges as well. I'll be showing you the other 2 colors of the same top. So this is another one in royal blue color, my favorite color of all times. I love this color totally, and you can see again the hands are the same with a thick border here, and the neck is also same. It's all the round neck pretty much covering your neck, and the hands are similar like the last one. But again, you have to see the color, man. It's so pretty. I love royal blue color and it's my favorite. When I see royal blue, I really have to pick that outfit because I genuinely love that color. This is something like that, very gorgeous. It looks stunning. So I have worn it once also, and this is also in the size L, and it's going to look like this. Not transparent again, as I said, because it's the same other color of the first top that I showed you. This is of the same material, very flexible material to be honest, and then not at all transparent, and this is very flexible. Even if it is a little bit body hugging, it won't matter at all. This is the second one. The third one from the same collection is this. It's a maroonish red color, not completely maroon I would say, but yeah, sort of. I love how this color looks on me. It just brightens up my Vita skin tone a lot. The same thing again, the same little bit fluffy hands with thick border and round neck, the way it was for the other 2. This is also in the size L, and this is again the same. This is how its hands would be. and this will just reach your waist and a little below that, just a little below your belt line, I guess, if you're wearing a mid-waist jeans. 2 inches below your belt line, this is how it's gonna look. And again, not transparent at all, very very flexible material and very very thick material. I highly recommend this range. At least if you want to try Meesho app initially, then I would just put the code of these 3 tops that I bought in 3 different colors. Just give it a try first, and then maybe you can go for other ones, because I love them. The fourth one is a navy blue one from a different collection, and this is how it looks. It's a very high neck top, as you can see, and the hands are made of net, and this is how it looks. It's not very cheap net or something like that. The quality is really good. You can see that there is a fluffy effect just near your shoulder, and this is why I got this top, because I love when it looks something like this. And it has got a chain behind here which you can pull and wear this, because you would need a chain to wear a full turtleneck sort of top. So the chain quality is also pretty good, and this is also in the size L. The fabric is not at all transparent, you can see here. It's a very good thick material and not disappointed at all. This is also something under 300. I'll just put the prices on the screen, okay, for you to refer. But yeah, isn't it amazing? I love this one. I really really love this one. Now most of the time I'm more of a t-shirt and jeans or t-shirt and track pant kind of person, because just wear whatever you want. T-shirts are very easy, just to put it on and go out if you want. I got this one. This is a t-shirt, full sleeve. I don't know if I like it much or not, but this looks very very nice. This is a full sleeve t-shirt, and the fabric is also very very thick, similar sort of fabric that I got in the first one. I don't know why, but all of their fabrics are pretty similar, and this is also again a little bit flexible, the same way the first ones were. The best part is I love the combination of red and blue in my attire, in my outfit. So I got this one for that particular reason, and this is how it's going to look. It has got a round neck here, and again not very deep neck, and it's gonna cover your neck almost. And this is in the size medium. It fits me perfectly fine. I think L would have been a little bit loose and comfortable for me, but nevertheless this is how it looks. And it has got a thick border here just to stick on this part of your hand, and this is how it looks. I think I again highly recommend this one also, at least because of the fabric that they have used and also the price point. Man, come on, I mean, it's not even 300, and yeah, I highly recommend. Now this one is my favorite out of the entire lot. I know this top is pretty small for me, so it's like a crop top sort of top. You can wear it with high jeans, high waist jeans only. But look at the sleeves. I love the sleeves. I got this top mainly because of the sleeves. It's very very soft, and it's like a ruffle sleeve, and it looks very cute, to be honest. And the neck is something the same, the way it used to be for others, round neck, and the short it is, it's very short. And again, material is not at all transparent. The material for the sleeves is a little bit transparent, I guess, but that doesn't matter, right? I mean, it's a very little, you can't even see through it, and that's just for your sleeves. And the material here is very very thick. It's a little different material. It feels a little woolen cotton sort of a material. Again, not at all transparent, and very very thick. It's stretchable also. You can wear it to office, you can wear it to parties, and this is that versatile this top looks. I have worn it once. I love this. I mean, I can't tell you, this is one of my favorites from the lot, and one of my favorites from my entire wardrobe. Now the last one. This is the top that I got. Again, as you can see, ruffle sleeves, and how I love them. I don't have to tell that again and again. It has got a thick border which would stick onto your wrist until this much, I guess. The material is also very smooth and soft. It's not cotton, it's synthetic, and the material of the entire top is different. I mean, this goes the same for the red one also that I just showed you. The material here is a little bit synthetic-y sort of thing, and it has got an elastic here which is very cute because it will just hug your hands and it will have that ruffle kind of effect, which I love and which I badly wanted. I never had a top of this color in my entire life, and somehow I'm loving this on me, and because of the sleeves, one, and second, the color, I mean, I know it's not, you know, it's very flashy and you can't wear it all the time, but sometimes when you out on vacation and all, you can definitely wear this. And this is how the top would look like, and this was in the size L, I guess. I got this in the size L. Even the fabric here, I think it's a little bit transparent, little bit, very little. I'm sure you can manage with a spaghetti inside. I think that would do the job. And this is sort of, it looks like a woolen material, okay, the way your cotton wool would look like. This is how it looks like, and it feels like the same. You can wear it easily during winters and all. It would look very, very cute, and especially for the sleeves, I highly recommend. If you're someone who loves ruffle sleeves, you can give this a try. Amazing one, amazing buy. And again, under 300, I guess. I'll put down the code and prices in the description box below and also on the screen for you to check it out. So that was all for my purchase from Meesho app. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Do not forget to hit the bell icon under this video so you stay updated with any video I post on my channel. Stay tuned. Take care. I love you.